Refreshing?
I might as well just go for it.
We are on a hike. Here is Katie. Look at me doing this. This is gonna make someone who's watching this video like throw up. It's so shaky.
Now, if you turn there and get a glimpse of what we just climbed up, it's very treacherous. Loss of limb is not uncommon in these parts.
Woohoo! Sexy Katie! This is what we've climbed too.